Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make fraction visuals on PowerPoint. If you want to make your slides more professional or easier to understand, adding fractions is a simple and effective way to do it. First, open the PowerPoint presentation you want to work on. You can use an existing file or start a new one. Either works perfectly for this tutorial. Once your presentation is ready, navigate to the Insert tab in the top menu bar. This tab gives you options to add images, shapes, and more, including equations. Next, click on the Equation button. This tool allows you to add mathematical expressions directly into your slides. Now, in the Equation menu, look for the Structures group and click on Fraction. You'll see different fraction formats. Choose the one that fits your slide best. Finally, type your numerator and denominator directly into the fraction placeholders. Instantly, your slide now shows a clear, professional-looking fraction visual, and that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly add fraction visuals to any PowerPoint presentation, making your slides more engaging and easy to understand. Thanks for watching and have fun enhancing your presentations.